Hi everyone. I would like to share the details of my mini camper van build with you. If you find my video interesting, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel as there are more episodes coming. When you're traveling in the camper van, two things are always trying to sneak up on you: rain and sun. In this video, I'll show you how I tackled both of these challenges with a couple of simple and budget-friendly solutions. And believe it or not, both came from IKEA. They're quick to set up, easy to use, and perfect for anyone trying to keep their travel cozy without breaking the bank. Rain and camper vans don't always get along. I ran into a very real challenge with my minivan build. Whenever I opened the sliding door during a rainy day, water would sneak right in. It didn't just hit the floor, it got onto my bed and the cooking module cabinet too. It is super annoying, especially when the bed is set up and doesn't have a waterproof cover on it. Nothing like climbing into a soggy bed to ruin your camping vibe. At first, I considered installing a retractable awning. Seems like a great idea, right? Well, not quite. It's not exactly stealth camper friendly. They stand out, take time to set up, and can be pricey. Plus, when wind joins the party, awnings turn into flappy kites. And if you pack them up while they're still wet, say hello to mold. That's when I had a light bulb moment. Why not use a giant umbrella to cover the entrance? It's simple, portable, quick to set up, and you can actually use it when you leave the car too. I remembered seeing those massive IKEA umbrellas during rainy West Coast days. They're huge, surprisingly tough, and super budget-friendly, around $7 or even cheaper when on sale. So the next step was figuring out how to mount it hand-free. While browsing Amazon, I stumbled across the perfect hack: a golf cart umbrella holder. It's basically a clamp with a tube. Slide the umbrella handle in, tighten it down with a bolt, and you're good to go. It even folds down when not in use, so it's not in the way. Of course, new solutions bring new problems, like what to do with a wet umbrella when you get back in the van. At first, I tried storing it under the solar panel, but let's just say the wind had other plans. Plus, if water collects inside, it'll drip on your head the next time you open it. So I started searching for a better storage option. Umbrella buckets for the home? Too bulky for a tiny camper. Then I found a car umbrella storage bag, a total game changer. It catches all the water, keeps it off the camper floor, and can be attached with a magnet so I can move it or take it out easily. No puddles, no mess. Now I'm actually excited when it rains. Well, almost. If the forecast looks rough, I preset the umbrella holder and keep the umbrella ready. When I'm ready to head out, I open the door, pop open the umbrella while staying dry inside, and slide it into the holder. And I have perfect hands-free rain protection while I slip on my shoes. And coming back is just as smooth. I slide the umbrella into the holder, get in, take off my jacket and shoes, and then drop the wet umbrella into the storage bag. No wet floor, no fuss, and everything stays nice and dry inside. You know, sunny weather is great, until it starts feeling like you're living inside a toaster. I decided early on to skip the whole retractable awning thing as it is too bulky, too fussy, too expensive. I wanted something simple, quick to set up, easy to pack away, and if possible, something I could use both at my van and at a campsite. And once again, IKEA saved the day. I found this rectangular sun umbrella that checked every single box. Rectangular shape? Perfect. Hugs the van like it was custom made. Easy to unfold? Absolutely, even before coffee. Size? Just right, not too big, not too small. Storage? Slides neatly behind my front seats like it was meant to live there. But, and there's always a but. How do you actually attach an umbrella to a moving piece of metal? Usually these umbrellas are meant for patios, with those huge, heavy bases that scream, "I belong in a backyard," not a tiny camper van. Definitely not an option when every inch of space counts. And here's where my trusty solar panels and the crossbar underneath swooped in like superheroes. There's a gap under the solar panel, just big enough for a clever little hack. I used a VEVOR truck bed adjustable bar, removed the original pads, and added a heavy-duty aluminum clamp. Fancy words for I Frankensteined a solution together. Then I mounted the bar using aluminum mounting brackets. I had to drill a few extra holes in the brackets to fit my crossbar slot. To keep it solid, I secured everything with stainless steel slot bolts, because shaky umbrellas are only funny in cartoons, and you do not want the crossbar fly away while you drive on the highway. And now, when I need instant shade over my van entrance, it takes me literally 3 quick and easy steps. 1. Extend the telescopic bar. 2. Grab the IKEA umbrella. 3. Unfold and clamp it in place. And it is done. Instant shady paradise. And the best part? This umbrella isn't just a one-trick pony. I picked up a special outdoor umbrella clamp with a wide opening that fits chunky campground tables. Now I can have shade over my lunch like a king. I just clip it where I want, slide the umbrella in, and boom, I have a gourmet lunch, minus the sunburn. So whether it's by my van or by my feast, this little IKEA hack turned out to be a real game changer. Stay shady, my friends.